Today, it's a sea day and there's so much to explore in the Disney fantasy. We'll try the famous Mickey Churro Waffles, have some adult time in the Cove Cafe, play the interactive game Midship Detectives, and so much more. Join us! Today is a day at sea, and today for breakfast they have Mickey Churro Waffles, special just for today. The Churro Waffles are delicious, sweet and cinnamon sugary, but Rebecca doesn't like them as much as the regular ones.
I vote they're much better than the regular ones.
The Mickey Churro Waffles are only available one day on the ship. You have to find out ahead of time when they're going to be. Alright, this is Vibe, the Teens Club. That's pretty neat. This is nice.
Oh my goodness.
A little resting pod. This is really cool. This whole game section. Wow, this is big. Oh, that's nice. They have their own sun deck. Yeah. They're constantly cleaning, scrubbing off the seawater. This is Sweet on You Cafe. It's such a cute shop. They have gelatos, toppings. Popcorns and lollipops and candies. Mickey Mouse goldfish. Rebecca made a Coke float. And it has an ice cream cone. Alright, we made another Coke float. They have sushi today. And from the pool deck from Flo's VA Cafe, the girls and Rachel got chicken strips and french fries. The Cove Cafe is a specialty coffee shop in the adults only area. The items here are an extra charge. Pictures of Walt Disney's travels. Marceline. This is the salted caramel coconut latte. And this is the caramel hazelnut mocha. Well, that was good. Nice and relaxing and delicious coffee. Rachel and I did an adult tour called The Art of the Theme Show. It's all about the design details of the ship. One of the stops on the tour was Palo, which means pole in Italian, named after the poles found in Venice. You can see that on the wine cooler and on the way the wall is painted. The chandelier is meant to represent spaghetti and meatballs. In Remy, which is themed after Ratatouille, there's a bottle of wine which Anton Ego drinks in the movie. The bottle sells for $25,000. There used to be two, but one person bought one. The pictures on the stairs match the theme of the floor. For example, this is where the sports area is, and then this is where Remy's is. This is a scene from Ratatouille, but for the cruise ship, they added to the artwork a shadow of Walt and Mickey. The atrium has an Art Nouveau look, which harkens back to the glory days of cruising. There's a bronze statue of Mademoiselle Minnie Mouse, keeping in line with the vintage travel theme seen around the ship. Minnie's dressed in fashions from the 20s and 30s. Spots on the wall can open, revealing show lights. This is custom Italian marble to match the colors and the design of the carpet. The carpet midship is green to match the atrium. And then as we go aft, it turns blue to match the ocean and the crust show in Animator's palette. So unique to the fantasy is this carpet. In nautical flags, it spells out Disney fantasy. And they change this carpet every year, so it's fresh. In the bow of the ship, the carpet is red, matching the luxurious red carpet feel of the Walt Disney Theater. So in front of the Walt Disney Theater, on the ceiling, they have different Disney characters, and they're all representing signs of the zodiac. So I'm not sure which one each one would be. I guess this would be Pisces, this would be Flounder, and Simba would be Leo. Another thing we learned was that Disney didn't want to have orange life rafts like they have on other cruise ships because they wouldn't match the appearance they wanted. They wanted to match Mickey's colors, and so they commissioned a special study with the Coast Guard showing that yellow life rafts are actually just as visible or even more so than orange ones in the water. And so they were able to paint their ships with Mickey's colors. We both enjoyed the tour a lot. We'd recommend it. It was really interesting. Yeah, some special merchandise for the 25th anniversary of sailing. This color scheme, some luggage, and shirts, hats. And special ears and lounge flies for the 25th anniversary. And corksicles and spirit jerseys. Hello, Dr. Strange.
Oh, this one is. I like all the cosmic dust all over your arms. Very nice. Have you been traveling to the dimensions together? Have you heard of America Chavez? At least you're in different dimensions. There was once a dimension in Thor where everything was pink. It was very challenging to eat there.
Friends, like me and my friend Cove. Between the two of you, who is the wise leader? Neither of you. So it's one of you two. You are the wise. You're the mighty one. Who is the funny sidekick?
All right, we're gonna do the Midship Detective Agency game.
Touch to begin.
Welcome to the Midship Detective Agency. Which case would you like to solve?
Do you want to do the Muppets?
Please choose
Sure.
one now.
Yeah.
We will be issuing you a high-tech detective badge. Great work. Your badge can be used in different ways. You might need to rotate something slowly. Some things might need to be pushed.
There's 3 different versions of the Midship Detective Agency. The Muppet version is exclusive to the fantasy. All right, found the next picture to go to. Scanning our badge.
Here we are at the scene of the crime. Use your flashlight to look for a clue. Maybe something fell out of the trunk. A broken clock. Great work, detectives. Seems like something that should be remembered and written down. Try using the ropes to move the lights around to see if you can find any clues. Use your device to suck Beaker's words into the babble vacuum.
I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. Yeah, and I sure hope I don't ever see it again.
So in order to make the screens look like they're actual pictures, they created a shadow here. There's a shadow on the screens that matches the shadow on the real pictures. So you can't tell which one is a screen and which one is a painting. There you can see this is not a real shadow.
Detectives, if your scope is flashing, you might...
Alright, we're supposed to see who went on an excursion.
Harbor tours. Oh, so all these people.
Oh, okay, so cross them all off because they already gone on an excursion. Midship Detective Agency is a fun interactive game that takes you all over the ship. And it's cool how the pictures look like actual art but then magically change to interact with you. Tonight we're eating at Royal Court again. So tonight is lobster night. It's kind of nice. It's also semi-formal night, and then we're in the Royal Court. It all matches.
Yeah, we're in the right.
Yeah, we're in the best restaurant. We were in the best restaurant for Pirate Night and the best restaurant for tonight. This is marinated tiger shrimp with celery hearts and remoulade. Every night they wear different costumes. Tonight is tuxedos. Well, the shrimp was nice. It was medium. I'd give it a 3 out of 5. It kind of didn't have a very strong flavor to it, a very bold flavor. It was kind of medium. This is the lemon fennel salad with green peas, smoked salmon, smoked trout, and creme fraiche. So that was also medium. The lox was fine. The stuff on top was just kind of so-so. I'd probably give that a 3 out of 5 also. This is the oven-baked lobster tail, special just for tonight, with sun-dried tomato, lemon pesto mash, and roasted asparagus. This is the fettuccine with Parmesan crusted chicken. They brought me a second one to make sure I had enough. The girls love their chicken and pasta. They gave it a 5 out of 5. Rachel gave the lobster a 4 out of 5. It was well cooked, but standard. I agree. This is the chocolate lava cake served with double chocolate sauce. This is the Captain's Table Sundae with mint chocolate chip ice cream topped with chocolate sauce, whipped cream, and crunchy meringue. Booty made flowers. I said booty. I like this elevator sign with the hand. Found a cruise duck. What does it have? Oh.
I found a blue one one earlier and I hid it in the elevator.
Oh yeah, so you're gonna hide that one somewhere?
Yeah.
Hello, Snow White. Alright, here we go. 1, 2.
Hey, welcome back.
We're back in the Walt Disney Theater to see a magician. So whatever you think of the magician.
I liked him.
Yeah.
He thinks he's funnier than he really is.
Oh, I like him.
At first, some of his earlier tricks were kind of like more well known. Like they've been done before and kind of know how some of them are done. But then he got into some really cool things with the plunger. All right, today we got a turtle.
A giant turtle.
Giant turtle. Little eyes. Very cute. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you can continue to come with us on our adventures. Tomorrow is Castaway Cay. We do the Castaway Cay 5K. Snorkel and search for sunken treasure, go on the ocean water slides, and have some island food at Disney's private paradise. We'll see you then.